you guys.
I know that earlier I saw some Shang-Chi cosplayers as well. Where are the cosplayers?
That guy's holding up 2 rings right there.
Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this little Shang-Chi right here. Right. Okay, here we go.
Oh,
We got one there.
little Shang-Chi.
We'll get to the little one, but here we go. Go ahead.
Hi, my name is Reese.
Reese?
Yeah. And I'm an action figure collector, and I was wondering, like, how is
Oh,
it?
we're about to have a great time. My whole career, you're gonna have.
I was wondering, what was your reaction, like, seeing your face for the first time on an action figure?
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you, Reese. I was not cool about it. The day that I found out that my action figures had come out in Targets, I went to 6 Targets around LA, and I texted all of my friends, and they started hitting up Targets. Some of them might be in this audience right now.
That's why it was
Shout out to
hard
Chris.
for me to find one. Thanks a lot, Simus. You and your friends got them all.
We went and we bought them all, basically. No, we were. I mean, it was so much fun, and I have the best friends in the world. We were on this group chat together, and they were like, I'm at the one in Culver City. I'm at the one in Melrose. Like, which one are you hitting up? Like, I got 3 at this one, and we hit up like 20 something Targets all around the city, and we were just like
ripping them out of kids' arms like
that's
no.
it. Yeah. We need drop kicking kids out of the way. But it was so cool getting to see it, and you know, right at the beginning of this whole process, I got to go to Ironhead Studios in the Valley, and
They scanned you?
They did a full 3D scan of my body, and I was like, why do you need this? It's kind of an invasion of privacy. And they're like, it's to make action figures of you. And I was like, fair enough, proceed. And to see it, like, I remember I was dealing with like an employee who was helping me out, and I was like, that's me, and he didn't believe me. He was like, what are you talking about? And I was like, look at his look at his face, look at the side of his head, and I pointed to beauty marks. I don't know if those of you who are further away can see, but I have these like little tiny beauty marks on like this side of my face specifically, and on the action figure, the marks were there, and seeing the look on his face, he was like, it was pretty incredible.
I'm gonna go home and check my Marvel Legends for those little birthmarks. Okay, we have a question here from the little Shang-Chi cosplay.